How to disable precise location information in AOL mail account. Now, if you want to disable your precise location information, just simply open your AOL Mail app and tap to this Head and Shoulders icon from the top left corner of your screen. Then you need to select the option of settings from here, and after selecting the setting option, you are going to see a bunch of more options. From here, you need to tap to this option of account privacy. Tap in there and you will see this option of your privacy controls. Select your privacy controls, and after selecting that, it is gonna open a new page where you are gonna see a lot of options. And in this page, you just simply need to select the option of control how we and our partners use your personal data. Tap into that and it will open this page right here. Now in here you need to scroll down to all the way to very last, and you are gonna see this option of use precise geolocation data. Now if you don't want to share your precise location to AOL mail, just simply disable this toggle right here and it will disable the precise location information in your AOL mail account. I hope this video was informative. If yes, don't forget to hit that subscribe